welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Yo, what's up you guys? Welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you guys are new, welcome. My name is Simi, and if you guys are returning, welcome back, fam. Y'all already know the vibes. So just a little information about me. I do vlogs, I do pranks, I do challenges, I do makeup tutorials, I do wig tutorials, like whatever comes to mind. That's what I do, okay? Now that we got that out the way, make sure y'all do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Just go ahead and get that out the way. Then go ahead and press that subscribe button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up for me. And yeah, I want to just get right into it. Today is a wig tutorial on this wig right here. So I got this wig from Yolissa Hair Company. This is it right here. I know y'all probably seen them because they have been popping on Instagram and stuff lately or whatever. I got a 24-inch highlighted wig. This is 180 density. It's a 13x4 lace front wig. And y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I love it. I'm not gonna speak too much because we're going to hurry up and get into this so y'all can see the process. And yeah, y'all make sure y'all let me know what y'all think down below in the comments. I'll make sure that I leave Yolissa's information down in the description box below so y'all be able to access all of their wigs, all of their bundles, like everything, like, so yeah. First thing first, I had to put my stocking cap on. I laid it down with some got-to-be spray. Now because this wig was a small cap, it was kind of hard for me to position it where I wanted it to be, so I had to cut the lace into 3 different sections, and I had to lay it down in 3 different sections. Y'all finna see what I'm talking about in a little bit. But yeah, so now that that's done, I'm going to put some Too Faced foundation onto my cap just to make sure that the cap and the lace blends together. We don't want that cap showing underneath that lace. Very much ugly. No. So now I'm finna cut the lace into 3 different sections because like I said, this was a small cap, so it was hard for me to position. I'm using my gummy lace adhesive. Y'all already know about this glue. This is the same glue that Tay uses on Ari, okay? So y'all already know this is gonna work. Y'all know my lace ain't going nowhere. It is what it is. Now I'm finna go ahead and I'm finna make sure I smooth out that layer of glue into a very thin layer, okay? And I'm finna repeat this step 3 times. I'm not finna sit here and keep going over me putting on glue because y'all need to see that 3 times back to back. But yeah, make sure y'all put 3 layers of glue, and then we're going to pull the lace down and we're gonna position it where we want it to be, okay? And do this slow. Make sure you position it in the right place because once you put it down, ain't no lifting it up, okay? Well, you can lift it up, but then you're gonna have to clean up the glue, and then it's just too much. It's too much work. So just make sure you position it where you want to position it the first time, okay? Now we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna dry it with the blow dryer, and we're gonna just make sure that that goes nowhere before we move on to the next section. Alright, so right here, all of that you see right there is on top of my ear. So I have to cut that lace right there so my ears can be free. So that's what I'm doing right now. And I had to take my time with this, y'all, because I did not have my scissors. I had a freaking razor, the ones that I use for my eyebrows. So it's just like, it was hard. It was harder than it had to be, but your girl got the job done. So yeah, y'all just be careful because I did end up cutting my forehead with this doggone razor, and it was aggravating, but it's okay. So now I'm going to put the glue onto the next section, and we're gonna follow the same steps as the previous section. We're gonna apply the glue. We're gonna make sure that we thin out that layer of glue. We're gonna smooth it out real thin. We don't want no bulky behind glue underneath the lace. And the way this glue is set up, it's not gonna work if it's bulky and it's big and it's just okay? So boom, we're gonna pull down that section as well. Make sure we press the lace into the skin. Make sure that we put the lace exactly where we want it to be. We don't want to have to keep lifting it up, cleaning it, and reapplying glue. That's just too much glue, too much steps, and then yeah. So boom, now we're taking the blow dryer. We make sure that we set that, make sure that we dry that, make sure it doesn't go nowhere, and then we just repeat the steps for the next section. Alright, you guys, so to lay down that wig, I'm using the same scarf that Yolissa sent me along with my wig. Thank you guys so much for this because your girl needed a new scarf, and this is like a silky scarf, so I really like it. And then we're going to sit underneath the blow dryer for at least 15 minutes. I know this step could be aggravating. You want to get up, do whatever you got to do, but you need to sit your behind there for like at least 15 minutes. Make sure that lace don't go nowhere, and that's just that. Alright, so now it's time to cut this lace off, and I'm going to use my razor blade that I used earlier, and that is very much aggravating. I do suggest using scissors for this instead, but the razor blade works just as nice. I'm not even gonna cap, it was very much easy to do this. So yeah, just be careful because I did end up cutting my forehead, you guys, and that was very much aggravating. It wasn't like a big cut where like the blood was like gushing out like but it was like, ow, okay, that stings a little bit. Like, yeah, so just be careful, okay? Woo! Look at that junk. There, y'all. That junk is coming out the scalp. Y'all heard me. Stop playing. But nah, so let me go ahead and put some makeup right there just to blend out the lace just a little bit more. It was already coming out the scalp, honey, but now we need to look like I was born with this wig on, okay? Like, yes, baby, look at that. Oh, yes, your girl always snapping. So, boom, now we're finna do some baby hairs, y'all. I've been feeling the baby hairs lately, so we're finna pull them baby hairs down, finna cut them things, we're finna slick them just right, you know? I ain't gonna lie, I spent like a long time on my baby hairs because like they just was not right. I don't know, they just was not right for me, and then some of them was too thick, so I had to pluck some more, had to put some back, and it was just like, yeah, y'all know how it is with the baby hairs. It's a bunch of repetitive steps, but you know, I eventually got it down pat, you know, as always. So yeah. So when I do my baby hairs, I use a mixture of styling foam and got to be spray. Like the styling foam, yeah, it gets it to lay how you want it to, but to make that bitch stay, I got to use the got to be spray, okay? It's just a must. I have to use got to be spray. It works for me. I don't know, the styling foam by itself, like I don't know, I feel like it still moves around. So yeah, that's just that. I don't know, that's just my routine. I feel as if it holds my baby hairs better than just the foam by itself, and as you can see, it looks good as hell, you guys. I'm very happy with it. Now what I did right here, I warm curl my hair, and I'm just going to show y'all how I do warm curl it. So I grabbed the got to be spray. This warm curler, I believe I got it from my beauty supply store. This is from Hot Tools. I absolutely love this warm curler, sorry. This is the only warm curler that I use. After I got it, I was like, yeah, this it, this the keeper, this the plug, this it, I ain't going nowhere else. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, I'm just going to keep going, grabbing small enough sections. You don't want to grab too big of a section, the curl's not going to come out right. We're going to just coat the section with got to be sprayed, not too much though, just slightly coat it, and then we're just going to wrap the hair around the warm curler, and then we're gonna keep repeating this step until we're done. Hey. Now when your hair is too long for the warm curler, all you gotta do is do the top section first, and then once that's done, go down and do the bottom section. And that's why y'all see I'm curling like the bottom section only right here. That's because the hair was too long for the warm curler itself, but you still get the same curl. As you can see, you still get the same bounce. And right here I'm doing the end of another section because it was too long for the warm curler. I just wanted y'all to see that, so like if y'all is like warm curling your hair, you don't freak out like, oh my god, it's not long enough, what am I supposed to do? Like, this is what you're supposed to do, sis. Do the top half and do the bottom half afterwards. Alright, you guys, so I was finna do like what Ari had previously. Like, she had 2 ponytails in the front and then the rest of it was like hanging down, but I don't know, I didn't want to do 2 ponytails. I felt like it was just going to be too much, so I just did 1 little regular ponytail, and now I'm finna warm curl that ponytail. And I also got 2 little bangs or whatever, you see them hanging out right there. I just felt like those were going to be like extra cute because that's like the most highlighted part of the wig. So I'm finna curl those and have those hanging down, you know. Very much fucking with it. Very much fucking with it. I fuck with it. I fuck with it. Look at that. It's very much cute. Let me turn around for y'all. Slow-mo. Ooh. Slow-mo. Yes. Bounce, bounce, bounce with me. Bounce with me. Yup. Ooh, look back at them. Stop playing. Ooh. So this is the finished look and I love it. I'm not even gonna cap. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love the little curls I did. Look, y'all wanna see? So boom. Y'all know. Slade. Slade. Shout out to Yolissa hair. I love you guys' hair. This wig was a little small, you guys. Like, I had so much difficulty putting this on my head. Like, y'all don't even know. Like, next time I know to buy a medium because the small is just like too small for me. I did have to bleach my knots. I did have to pluck my my edge, my baby hairs to get it looking how I want it to look. But overall, I like it. And it's really cute, you guys. Look. It's really good hair too, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I really like this hair. I feel like this ain't gonna be one of the cheap wigs that, you know, you wear 1 or 2 times and then that's it. You know, I feel like I'm gonna get, like, you know, I'm gonna be able to revamp this wig. So yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think down low in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll make sure that I put the Yolissa hair page information down in the description box below. And yeah.